It's like a fucking ocean out here. What the fuckings? Perfect. Now step one in riding. Let's figure out if you have enough fuel. Fucking bone dry. So step two. Fucking nothing. So now we gotta go get gas, and I'm gonna go get McDonald's. Mickey D's. Made it to the gas station. Oh, and I'm back just like that. Power of fucking editing. You saw like 15 seconds. And holy fuck, it's wet out here. Can't wait to fucking slip and slide on my dirt bike and break my other elbow. God damn. Alright. Now I'm gonna go eat my McDonald's, but the next time you'll see me, I'll be getting on the dirt bike, so. It's very wet out, I like to say. God, it's so fucking wet back here. Right through the water. Water on my face. Hopefully not on my camera. Sounds like a great plan to me. Maybe I'll just ride the roads for a little bit. Honestly, it's so fucking wet that I don't even want to do anything on it. Dirt bike. Alright, step 1 was get fuel, you already saw. Step 2 was get McDonald's, you also already saw. Step 3 was take a 2-hour power nap. Then step 4, get on the dirt bike, put gas in the dirt bike. Actually, step 4, put gas in the dirt bike. Step 5, get on the dirt bike. Step 6, realize it's very fucking wet out, so ride the roads instead of actual dirt. Step 7, rev out the dirt bike all the way. In 5th gear, that's the max gear. There's only a 125, so it doesn't go that fast. Step 8, hit every bump in the road. Step 9, cruise around your neighborhood, your neighborhood, quote unquote neighborhood. Because there's not, my nearest neighbor is like a fucking while away. I don't know. Check behind you if you don't have any mirrors. Trying to eat shit anywhere. Also, enjoy the beautiful views. There's not really much. I wish I had a bigger dirt bike. I wouldn't look so stupid riding the way I do. Also, a bigger dirt bike, heavier dirt bike, more traction, better suspension, more happy, higher speeds. Probably sounds better too. This bike gets pretty fucking loud when you really let her have it. Oof. Hit some rocks up into your helmet. Be glad that you're wearing a helmet, because if you weren't, those rocks would hit right into your face. Probably take out a fucking eye or something. Daydream about having an actual street bike. I doing? Are you doing speed, son? No, I'm not. I'm not doing speed or speeding. So, 'cause that can mean two very different things. Are you on speed, son? Are you winning, son? You fucking layer down hit something that big. That's a fucking down wire. God damn. Should I touch it? It's really turned it off already. Cruising, brother. I don't know what else to do. Don't run out in front of me, squirrel. It's a nice fucking car. What they They have a pole in the front of their house? What? Who the fuck put the pole in front of their house so you can walk out your front door and dive into the pool? That's a little weird. A little wacky tobacco. All the trails are too wet to ride. And I have no one to ride the roads with. It's kind of fucking bored. Oh, this dirt road might get a little sketch because it's so wet. It looks like they fucking like paved it or tarred and chipped it at least. Oh, wait, does it become actual dirt down here? No, not really. Just kind of shitty road materials. That's a dirt road. Oh yeah, they built a new house up here. I don't know if I've been up here recently. I fucking didn't even know that they built a new house. Butterfly just hit me in the stomach. I don't know if I killed it or not. Yeah, there's a fucking new house up here. Although something smells like shit. Probably me, I probably just shit my pants. New house. It's a shitty little house. I'll buy it though. How much? Fucking $1 million. Right next to that piece of shit.